entrance. Storage. And the wine, you can change the wine, you can want the alcohol dispenser, espresso, turn on service. All this what you get repairs every day. Ice bucket, water minibar. It's inside. You can customize this as well. There is a whip bath on the ceiling. You have a Bulgari soap and the towels as well. Bulgari body lotion. There is for ladies here, straightener and hair dryer. It's Colgate shaving kit and mini box. And there is hair dryer. And here's the bathroom. It looks like there's the water jets. And again, Bulgari. Towels for the hot tub. Some storage here as well. You have bathrobes and nice slippers. They are very nice. It's not that cheapy, very soft, fluffy, safe pillows. TV, bed, alarm. You have the remote. You can order the food or the services, as you can see, in-room dining, and then you have different options. For breakfast, then it's gonna be lunch and dinner. You can order all of this. You can use the app. You can order your room service, entertainment. You can check what the shows are for the day, and so on. And the same for food, for butler, in-room dining. It's a lunch for dinner, and we have all the options as well. You can order the same. The flowers, or every lady gets the flowers on the arrival. And there's aromatherapy. You can ask them to give you specific scent, and they will set it up for you. Painting to see here. Phone number and Lagoon view. The pool. There's the main entrance. That soap, Bulgari, so good. It's like cream on it. You leave, like you put cream on it, and the same as well. The body lotion, so moisturizing. You don't need any cream, nothing at all. And even the toilet roll, it has got scent in that. It's nice and smell here. The same all this stuff as Bulgari. You don't need any cream after. It's so moisturizing, all of this. It's amazing. And this is the customized minibar. There is no space in here. All these fill up to the top. asked them to put the non-sugar stuff, more light beer, there's water and so on. That's cool. There is chocolate. Room service. Loads of food. Loads of food. Guacamole, teas, some little desserts. There's another 2 desserts. Then we have food. Caesar, 2 soups. 2 times salmon, but each salmon is always separate. I don't know why they put it together. And a few over here. All prepared for the bath. It's handcrafted soap, bath salts.